Hello guys, so I'm gonna make this video very quick. Now that many Telegram airdrops are coming out every day, like every single day. If you just go to one Telegram bot, they'll tell you to follow their channel, and then you meet another new airdrop bots coming out again. Like they're everywhere. So I'm going to teach you how to arrange these bots in your Telegram folder so that you'll not be confused. So guys, let's go. So what you do, you just go to these three lines and go back again. These three lines, you click on it. This three line by your upper left corner. You click on the three lines. After clicking on the three lines, you click on settings. After clicking on settings, you scroll down. You see chat folders. Click on it. So these are my folders. Let me show you where these folders appear now. These are the folders. See those folders I'm showing you now. These are the folders. Look at them. So, for example, if I want to come to the free airdrop, I'll just come in. These are the bots here. Look at my tap swap. They are all here. They are all here. So we just come here. So now I'm going to show you how to create them. You click on these three lines. You go to your settings. You go to settings. Then you go to chat folder. You click on chat folder. Then you go to create a new folder. Now, because my folder is full, I just want to. Let me just delete this one. I'm going to delete it. I don't need it again. Then you just click on create new folder, right? Then you come here, you name the folder. Maybe you want to name the folder bot claim. For example, you know that there are bots that you have to buy where you don't have to tap again. You just go there every day and be claiming the bot. You can name it claiming bots. You can just name it like that, right? Then you come to add chats. Add chat. You come to add chat. Then you type the ones that you want to add there. For example, tap swap. You already bought the bot in tap swap. You just come here and you add that one to it. Then which other one? Then let's just add hamster combat. Let's add it. Add hamster combat. Then which other one again? Week when. There's week when. Come add that. You already bought the bot. So those are the ones that you're going to arrange. So I'm just teaching you how to arrange them so that it'll be simple for you. So when you're coming to this folder now, right? Let me click OK. After you click OK, then you click on save. You save it. Then you go back. You see, look at the folder we just created, claim bot. You see, so when you click on this claim bot, you know that you just want to come here and start claiming your stuff. You're not tapping anything. Then you're also going to create another folder again. For example, I'm just teaching you how to arrange it to settings again. You come again and try to create another. You click on chat folder, try to create another one. Maybe this one you have to create. They are bots where you have to tap it with your hand or with auto clicker. You name it another new one again. My folder is already full. You name another new one again, right? Just the way I taught you the first one, you name it again. And you start arranging. You add all the bots that you want to add to that one. So that you know that when you just click that bot, you know that okay, I'm using auto clicker to claim all these ones. The way you go to claiming bots, you know that I'm just claiming. I'm not using any auto clicker. So just be able to arrange them in order so that your mind can be clear and sharp, so that you not be confused, right? So that's how you can arrange your Telegram folders in order not to get confused or to start searching your Telegram the name, and sometimes you might forget most of them. So but when you arrange them, add them in these folders. When you create these folders and arrange them according to their names that you can understand, it will be much more easier for you and much more organized. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.